my cousin Josh. He just brought his computer in, and he said it's powering up, but it's not actually powering up. So let's plug it in and see what it's doing. Let me grab a power cable.
Yeah, I ain't got one of those.
Oh yeah. I wish iPhone would add a pause button for their videos. It'd be nice for like clips and stuff.
Maybe it's just my power cable.
Well, let's try. We'll start off with turn on, hit the power button. Oh yeah, something's not happy.
What happened?
It just like flashed. Is that what it was doing? Oh, now the RAM's on.
Yeah, that's what it did.
Nothing else is on. Okay.
What flashed?
I don't know, like all the lights flashed and then it went out. So let's power it down. We'll pull this side panel off real quick, and I'm gonna unplug that graphics card and then try to power it up. Kind of acts like something's might be shorting out.
Sounds like, yeah.
You want to hold that over there real quick? Just put the screws right here so I don't lose them. You can set it down anywhere over there, just don't crack it. So let's unplug this graphics card. Where's my...
It's a little dusty in there.
It is a little dusty. You've been using this thing.
Mm-hmm. The old wall build.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see it on TikTok?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, for some reason that video did like unusually good. Alrighty, now let's flip that. Oh, something's still not happy.
Did it spark again?
It like flashed and then went off, and then I hit it again and just the RAM came on. So, alright, let's turn it off. Power's off. Let's pull the RAM out.
That's weird how easy it is to take that stuff out.
Yeah, they're pretty, it's like Legos. Alright, now, oh, something's not happy. So it's not associated.
The graphics card or the RAM.
It's got an EVGA power supply in it. So I don't imagine it would be the power supply, but you know what? Let's try a different power supply real quick. Alright, I have another one. I have a couple of them around here somewhere. Can you, if you look right around the corner, they're like actually one's right there. Can you hand me that one? There's a Corsair.
This thing?
Yeah.
Holy, this thing's a unit.
Yeah, actually the one you got in there is a little bit nicer. That's a pretty basic one.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, just hold that for 1 second. I'm gonna make some room and then we'll plug this one in. That'll just tell us if we have a power supply problem. Here, you could grab that box with all that stuff on it and just set it over there on top of those coolers. Let's get ready to put all that into inventory. So we'll plug this. It's a little dusty in here. Pins in. Now the CPU power.
I got this guy I posted my old wheels up on Facebook Marketplace. He was gonna trade me full PC setup, like everything.
Oh really?
Monitors, everything. The PC looks like a unit, but I wanted you to look at it first.
Yeah, you can forward me the info on it, and I'll check it out. What'd he value it at? Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
What are you valuing your wheels at?
$650.
$650. Okay, so it should be a pretty decent setup then. All right, so let's fire this on. Oh, look at that.
It's the power supply?
Yeah, for some reason your power supply
Is that bad?
took a dump. No, I mean, it happens. It's just, I haven't had a lot of EVGA power supplies die. It's given us a RAM code because the RAM is not installed. So let me turn this off. We'll install everything and then plug the monitor in and see if it boots right up. So how frisky are you gonna get? Do you want to install the power supply yourself?
Oh, I don't know. Doesn't matter to me.
He holds in the back of it, yeah. And
It's got a bunch of prongs.
yeah, a lot of little prongs. Alrighty. She's all the way in there. Let's put the old GPU back in. Oh no, this power supply won't even run this GPU. It's only got one plug on it, so I have another one I can use just to test it. Yeah, this graphics card takes 2 plugs. I think I have another power supply over there with a bigger, that has dual plugs on it.
Oh, okay.
So we can test that, but I'd like to see it just boot up and work first, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Just so we can rule that out. Bench test it. Alright, now let's get a HDMI. Alright, this is probably not going to boot to Windows because you're on an SSD, aren't you? Or no, you have an NVMe. I don't remember.
I have no idea. How do I know?
It's under there. Yeah, I think you have an NVMe, so it should boot to Windows. Oh well, we're using my Android camera today, and the quality is very Androidy. All right, look at that. That's booting up. Dang, killed the power supply. Do you have it plugged into like a surge protector or anything? Not saying that would have saved it, but or is it just straight into the wall?
It's plugged into a 6-way, which is plugged into the wall. So
There it is. PC.
why are the lights not there or the fans?
Because like all these extra plugs plug into your SATA plugs to run the fans and the lights and all that stuff. I only plugged in your motherboard and graphics card, just the basics to get it fired up. Well, we'll go ahead and power that down. Let me look and see if we got another power supply here that'll work for you. Alright guys, well I will cut back, but it seems to be that his power supply is no longer happy, and I don't know why. It's EVGA 500 watt, 80 plus rated. It's one of the white ones, so it is one of the cheaper ones, but honestly this is probably the first EVGA power supply I've seen go bad. The only power supplies I have in the store right now are super expensive. I have a 1600 gold and a 1200 platinum. I don't have anything else other than a Corsair 430, but that's not going to be enough. He's going to end up with another problem, especially since he doesn't even have enough plugs for his graphics card. So we're going to try to find him one, maybe Amazon Prime something, get something quick, because can't be down on a PC. But anyways, peace out. I'll pick this up later, I guess. All right, so that was pretty cool. Originally I was like, hey, you want me to do it? And, you know, I'll grab one, fix it, blah, blah, blah. And he was like, you think I can do it? I'm like, oh, absolutely. And he's like, can you show me what to order? And I'm like, yeah. So he got his phone out. I think he decided on a 700 watt. He's going to step it up a little bit. And we also swapped out his GPU. So he's going from a Zotac 3060 to a, what was it? Can't remember. It's not a power color, but it's a RX 6800 XT, I believe. I don't remember now off the top of my head. But anyway, he told me that his Zotac had a fan that was like clicking, driving him crazy. So I was like, well, here, try this graphics card out. If you like it, then we can do a deal on it. If not, then just, I'm gonna go ahead and order a fan for your Zotac, and we'll get it swapped out later on. So it's always cool to see somebody actually wanting to like work on their own system and not be scared of it, because essentially they all go together, like super simple. It's all plug and play. You can't mess it up. I say that, but then people literally come in with systems that don't power because like the EPS connector is plugged into the graphics card, and you know. Anyway, all right, for real, y'all take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.